This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript from zero. Start by understanding the fundamental building blocks of the language. Focus on variables, data types, and basic operators. Then, move on to control structures like if-else statements and loops. Practice writing small functions to perform specific tasks. Consistent, hands-on coding is key to solidifying your knowledge and building confidence from the ground up. To begin, you'll need a good development environment. Install a reliable code editor, like Visual Studio Code, which offers excellent features for JavaScript. Your web browser's developer console is an invaluable tool for testing code snippets and debugging. Create a basic HTML file and link your JavaScript file to it. This setup provides a practical sandbox for you to write and execute your first lines of code effectively. Once your environment is ready, dive into core JavaScript concepts. Grasp how to work with arrays and objects to manage collections of data. Explore the Document Object Model, or DOM, to make your web pages interactive. Understand asynchronous operations, like fetching data, using promises or async/await. Regularly solve coding challenges to sharpen your problem-solving skills and reinforce what you've learned. The best way to solidify your learning is by building projects. Start with simple applications, like a to-do list or a calculator. As you progress, consider contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience. Next, explore popular front-end frameworks such as React, Angular, or Vue. Remember, the JavaScript ecosystem evolves rapidly, so continuous learning and staying updated are crucial for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.